Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 7. Look dear students, here our today's topic is assignment 2. Please follow the board. Here you have to learn unit 2 my study guide, and here lesson number and topics are lesson 1 and lesson 2 you have to read. Okay, so now I am going to say about assignment task. Read the following words 1 to 10, pick up the meaning, identify its parts of speech, the name and the page number of the dictionary which you belong to or you have collected. Okay, after that making meaningful 10 sentences as directed within the bracket. Okay, so the first word is what? Recall, and writes is adjective form and make a meaningful sentence. Then second number is erase, write its noun form and make a meaningful sentence with this noun form. Okay, then third number is intelligent, write its noun form and make a meaningful sentence. Number 4 performance, write its verb form and make a meaningful sentence. Number 5 wildly writes its adjective form and make a meaningful sentence. Number 6 imminent, write its synonym and make a meaningful sentence with it. Then number 7 nervous, write its synonym and make a meaningful sentence with it. Then number 8 engrave, write its noun form and make a meaningful sentence with it. Then number 9 admire, write its noun form and make a meaningful sentence with it. Then number 10 poverty, write its adjective form and make a meaningful sentence with it. Okay dear students, then look instruction, teacher will check students answer script following assessment criteria. Okay, excellent. Look dear students, you have to maintain this rule, then you will get excellent. The name of dictionary with page number. Number 2 correct meaning. Number 3 correct parts of speech. Then number 4 sentences grammatically correct. So dear students, now I am going to say its answer. Look, your topic will be what? Finding the dictionary. Then look, number 1 keyword is what? Recall, which is a verb. Okay, and its meaning is what? Callback. Its meaning is what? Callback. And from Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, its page number is 607 and its adjective form is what? Recallable, and the sentence is what? He looked up and recalled the stars. Then number 2 the keyword is what? Erase. It's a verb and its meaning is what? Blot out. Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary page number 277, that means 277, and its noun form is what? Eraser, and the sentence will be what? The incident is not erasable. Okay, then look, number 3 keyword intelligent, adjective endowed with a good intellect, and Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary page number is what? 405, and its noun form is what? Intelligence. Sentence, Shakib is an intelligent boy. Okay, then look, number 4 keyword performance is a noun and its meaning is what? The act of performing. From Oxford Learners, from Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary page number is what? 543, that means 543, and its verb form is what? Perform. Okay, the word performance, its verb form is what? Perform. And the sentence here I have made a sentence what? Robots can perform thousands of works at a time. Okay, then number 5 here look dear students, you can make any kind of sentence. Okay, by using this word you can make any kind of sentence. So then look number 5 keyword wildly, it's an adverb and its meaning is what? In a wild manner or condition. And in Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary page number is 73, its adjective form is wild. Okay, and sentence, the rain drummed wildly on the roof. Then number 6 keyword is eminent, it's an adjective and its meaning is what? Exalted in rank or office. Exalted in rank or office. And here from Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, its page number is 268, that means 268, and its synonym is what? Lofty. And now sentence is what? We are expecting the arrival of an eminent scientist. Okay, dear students, here you can make any kind of sentence by using this word. Okay, as you wish. Then number 7 keyword nervous, is an adjective and its meaning is what? Having nerves. Okay, look here Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary page number is 498, you will get this word, and synonym is timorous, and its sentence will be what? It was a nervous situation. Okay, the number 8 engrave, which is a verb and its meaning is what? Carved images upon curved devices upon. Okay, and Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary page number is 20270, that means 270. Okay, and its noun form is what? Engraving, and this sentence will be what? The image was engraved on the plaque. Okay, then look number 9, keyword admire is a verb, and its meaning is what? Regard with love and esteem. And Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary page number is what? 22, and its noun form is what? Admiration, and the sentence is what? I admire the way you handled it. Okay, you can make any kind of sentence here, you can write here any sentence as you wish. Okay, then number 10, keyword poverty, which is a noun, and its meaning is what? Lack of elements or qualities. Okay, and Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary page number is what? 570, that means 570 you will get this word, and its adjective form is what? Poor. And sentence, if I going to make any sentence by using this word, you can write here cultivate poverty like a garden, herb like says. Okay, dear students, so as soon as possible you have to submit this assignment. Okay, see you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.